Hello friends, I am So Shinde from RBNB College. Now we are going to start the topic morphology of flowering plants. Now in this topic we shall discuss about the family. Now already first one family we are discussing. Now this Fabaceae family are discussed. Now in this lecture we shall discuss about the family Solanaceae. Now this family Solanaceae is include the several examples. Means this family is also called the potato family, or for other plants like the tomato, datura, these some flowers means the Solanaceae members are including to this family. Now study of this family, there are several characters in the vegetative as well as the floral character of this family. The first one, vegetative character of this family. The first of all discuss the vegetative character of family Solanaceae. For example, datura flower. This example of Solanaceae is datura. The first one, vegetative character of datura flower. The root. The first character, vegetative character, is root. Root is very important part of the plants, and the root system of these plants is the tap roots. You know the two types of the roots, the adventitious and tap roots are found in all plants. Now these adventitious roots are mostly found in the smallest or herbs or some monocot plants. The adventitious type of root system is found. Now some plants present the tap roots. In these tap roots, this taproot system is present in these Solanaceae families. With this taproot is means the roots are only one roots is deep into the soils, and there are some hair-like outgrowth are found. The taproots is one of the important characteristics of this family. They can showing the taproot system. Next one, vegetative character of this system is a stem. The stem of this plant, it is erect or woody nature or branched. Means this stem is branched, showing the branches of this stem. Means this stem is erect, and some plant the stem is a woody nature or also the branch nature of the stem of this Solanaceae family. The next one character, leaves. The most important part of the plant is the leaves. Now these leaves, they can form in the alternate type of the phyllotaxy. This plant showing alternate leaf system. With these leaves are formed alternately. The leaves are formed alternately. This one type of the position of the leaves. These leaves is alternate phyllotaxy in this family. Now the next one characters, inflorescence. Now the inflorescence is a very important. Inflorescence means the group of the flower. In some plants they are present in a groups. Flower is arise or flower is present in the groups, and this group of flower is called the inflorescence. Now in this family they can found the cymose type of the inflorescence. You know the cymose type of the inflorescence. Inflorescence is also classified into cymose and the racemose type of the inflorescence. Now this cymose inflorescence means this inflorescence, the growth of inflorescence is indefinite, means limited growth of the inflorescence. This flower arises at the central, and other flower is a peripheral region, means younger flower at the present at the base, and oldest flower is present at the apex, means the center flower is present firstly, opening of the central flower first, and this type of the inflorescence is called the cymose type of the inflorescence. Means this flower is a terminal in position, and this inflorescence is a limited. Growth of inflorescence is a limited, and this type of inflorescence is found in this family Solanaceae. These are the several vegetative character of family Solanaceae. Now the next one point of this family is important point, the floral characters. means the floral part of this family, means this flower characters. There are 4 important whorl of flowers like the calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Means individually this calyx is called the sepals, corolla is called the petals, androecium is a male reproductive whorl, gynoecium is the female reproductive whorl of the flower. And there are the arrangement of this floral whorl in this member of the Solanaceae. The first one part of the flower is a calyx. The calyx, it is a green color, and this calyx is most important function for the photosynthesis. Now this calyx, number of calyx is found in this family is a 5 number in Dhatura. This calyx is 5, and this calyx means these sepals, they are fused, united with each other. In this calyx is fused, means this is a gamosepalous condition. Gamosepalous means the calyx is a 5 number, and this calyx is fused with each other. They can jointed with each other, and this condition of the calyx is called the gamosepalous condition. Means sepals, they get fused. The next one character, corolla, the second whorl of the flower, and individually it is called the petal. Now this corolla, it is the second floral part of flower, and this corolla, it is the most important function for attraction of insect. Now this part, corolla, the corolla is a 5 number. This corolla of this family, it is a 5. These petals are 5. It is a colorful, but in Dhatura flower it is a white colors flowers, and corolla is white, and this corolla is a 5 number. And this corolla, they get fused with each other. They are fused, means this flower is gamosepalous condition. Gamopetalous. Petals are united. This corolla, it is a 5 number, and this corolla, it is a jointed with each other, and this condition of the corolla, it is a gamopetalous. The next one, floral part, androecium. This androecium is also 5 number. Androecium is 5, and they get free from each other. The androeciums are free with each other. Now the gynoecium, it is a female reproductive whorl of the flower, and this gynoecium is 2, means bicarpellary. This gynoecium is found in this flower is a 2 number. It is a bicarpellary, and these carpels, they are united, they are jointed, means in this flower, in this family, the gynoecium is syncarpous. Syncarpous gynoecium, they get fused. Syncarpous gynoecium is a syncarpous. Next one point, the placentation. Placentation of this family or flower. Placentation means arrangement of ovules inside the ovary, and now this placentation is axile. Placentation in family Solanaceae means the ovules are arranged at the axis. This type of the arrangement of the placentation or ovules are arranged in the axile position in this family. These are the floral and the vegetative character of this family Solanaceae. Now the next point, the floral formula of this family. The floral formula of family Solanaceae is important. This floral formula is a very important for this family. Now the first one, this symbol indicating the actinomorphic flower. This symbol is indicating the actinomorphic flower. This flower is cut into any plane, they can divide it to equal halves, or they two equal parts they can divide it. Now next one, this symbol is indicating the bisexual flowers, means the androecium and gynoecium. This male and female reproductive parts is found in this flower, and this flower is a bisexual. Now this calyx, next symbol capital K, means calyx. This calyx number is 5 in the Datura means Solanaceae family. 5 number of sepals, and they are united. The bracket indicating the gamosepalous condition, they get fused with each other. Now the next one floral part is a corolla, indicating capital C, and this 5 number of petals, they can bract means this, they are gamopetalous condition in the corolla. Now the next one, androecium. This androecium stamens are 5 numbers, and these stamens, they are free, they are not fused. Next one, this gynoecium. This gynoecium is 2 numbers, means bicarpellary, only 2 gynoeciums is present, and this condition is called the bicarpellary syncarpous ovary. This symbol indicating the superior ovary. This family indicating the superior ovary and exile placentation. You know the superior ovary means the position of ovary, means calyx and corolla. This floral part is below. This is the ovary, and these other floral parts are present below, means the calyx, the sepals, this corolla, and the androeciums, means stamens, present below the ovary, and ovary is above, and this condition of ovary is called the superior ovary. And the indicating symbol G, gynoecium, it is indicating the superior ovary. This is a floral formula of family Solanaceae. Now the next one point, floral diagram of family Solanaceae. In Datura flower, this androecium, they are jointed to the petals, means in this Datura flower, this type of the position, epipetalous condition is seen in the Datura flower, but all the member of Solanaceae, this condition is not found, means only the Datura plants, they can found this epipetalous condition, means these gynoeciums, they are fused to the carpels, they are jointed to the carpels in the Datura. Now the diagram of this family, floral diagram, these sepals are 5 number, and these sepals are fused these sepals are 5, and the valvate aestivation, they are fused to each other. The calyx is 5, and they get fused with each other. It is a 5 number, and valvate aestivation means one margin is touched to the other, or the one of the sepal, they are only the touch the margin with each other, and this valvate type of the aestivation. Now the next floral part is a corolla. This corolla is a 5 number, petals are also 5, and these petals are united, they are jointed to each other. Next one part, these, they are jointed. These petals are jointed. The androecium is 5. But in some flower they get free, and some flower they are fused. Means in Dhatura flower they are attached to the petals, and this condition is called the epipetally. Epipetalous condition in the Dhatura. But some flower they get free. It is a 5 number of androecium or the stamens. Now this gynoecium, the central gynoecium, this gynoecium is a 2, and the bilocular ovary. This gynoecium is a 2, and the axile placentation means ovules are attached on axis. This is the axile placentation. Now the floral diagram for the Solanaceae family showing this type of the arrangement. In this first one, it is a sepals, and this sepal is a 5 sepals. They are jointed with each other and valvate aestivation. Now the next floral part is corolla, and this corolla is a 5 number. They are jointed, gamopetalous. Now the next one, these are the 5 stamens, and these 5 stamens is also jointed with the petals. In the Dhatura flower, it is the epipetalous condition. And middle means the gynoecium. Carpels is a 2 bicarpellary. Syncarpus, they get fused, and the placentation in this family is axile, and ovary is a superior. Ovary is found in the superior in position. Now in this video we shall discussing the Solanaceae family and their floral part as well as the vegetative character, floral formula and floral diagram of the family Solanaceae.